So you can see that's installed, and if you click collect now there, you can pause it whenever you want. You click there and then you can see, then you will earn just whenever you surf there. And then you can also see here that if you're on a specific site, you can just click it and then you can restrict site. So you can do it directly from the extension there if there is a site where you don't want it to collect it, but you can also go over actually on the dashboard and do that. And you do that by clicking their manage restrictions. So then you can actually add websites and brands in here. Also, you can see like click if you want to restrict a specific website, you can add it here. So you don't have to go to the website first, but you know, that's also something to do. And I do like that aspect, of course. So you can decide that it's very important. They make it quite easy and I do like that. But that's basically how you earn. Then sometimes you know there will be these special offer special deals and things like that. But other than that, you'll just have it running in the background and you can see it collects data and then you will earn from that. And yeah, you know, that's how it is. Again, the data will be shared, it will be sold, and that's how you can earn. So be aware of that, of course. But there is also a way, as mentioned earlier, where you can actually also earn extra from your phone. So let's talk about that also. So inside the dashboard, there's something called connections. You can also find that actually in the extension here. You can link YouTube or X account, or inside here you can actually also do connect Reddit. So that means, for example, if X account, YouTube account, or Reddit account, so on, use it on your phone, then it will also collect that data when you are, for example, here on X, collect data from browsing, sharing, and tweeting, or data about your streaming behavior, even if you use it on your phone there. And the same with Reddit. Whether you feel comfortable about that or not, you know, that's up to you. But it is a way where you can earn more, and you can also do it from your phone if you connect your actually X account, YouTube account, and Reddit account and use the same one on your phone.